The mother of a teenage boy who was killed in a crash in Souk last April had her day in court today. While the young man who was behind the wheel watched from the prisoner's box, Lisa Twiddy told the court what it feels like to have lost her only son. CTV's Stephanie Sherlock was there. She joins us now live with more New at 6. Stephanie.
Hudson, David Chiasson pleaded guilty to 2 counts, dangerous driving causing bodily harm and dangerous driving causing the death of 15-year-old Nicholas Twiddy. Today, court heard submissions from the Crown and defense as the judge considers sentencing. Dozens of Nicholas Twiddy's friends gathered at the West Shore courts to lend their support, including Maria Forbes and Stephen Livingston. They survived the crash that took their friend Nick in early April of last year. There were few dry eyes as Nick's mother, Lisa, spoke of grief and sadness, anger, and sleepless nights filled with thoughts of revenge. She told stories about her only son, including recounting an Easter morning spent together less than 24 hours before he was killed.
Easter morning, Nicholas and Brittany ate breakfast, and then they went out hunting for Easter eggs that morning. Yeah, and I thought I was pretty lucky because they were pretty old, right? 14 and 15, and then here they were out hunting for eggs that day.
Pictures show a young man with a silly streak who loved his family, his friends, and his girlfriend. Twiddy is looking forward to some closure, but she says she doesn't know how she'll be able to move on without her son. And she says regardless of the sentence, David Chiasson still has a shot at a good life, while her son has been robbed of that.
The kids were saying that David's life is over, and that's it for David. Oh, his life is screwed and all this. Nicholas's life is over. Nicholas's life is screwed. David's life will go on, and he'll get to go on and get married and have kids, but he has to choose that.
Court heard that Chiasson did not have a valid driver's license at the time of the crash, and the Crown submitted that the others in the car, including Nick, had no idea it was stolen. Both sides agreed to some of the facts, including that the group was heading to Jordan River to spend a day at the beach. Chiasson admits to speeding and passing another car on double yellow lines before hitting some gravel and losing control of the vehicle. And due to the volume of information presented and the seriousness of the crimes, the judge elected not to sentence Chiasson today. The matter has been put forth to early March. The Crown is asking for 3 years on each count. The defense is asking for a little less time with some credit for time served. Hudson.
All right, Stephanie Sherlock reporting. Stephanie, thanks.
You're welcome.